Imagine this, a world where the air we breathe, the very essence of life, turns against us. What if the air that fills our lungs was slowly chipping away at our health? Well, in truth, we're living in that world right now. This video will take you on a journey through the invisible but very real dangers of air pollution and its impact on our health. Our first stop is the realm of hazardous air pollutants. These invisible assassins such as mercury, lead, dioxins and benzene pose severe health risks even in minuscule amounts. Benzene, a carcinogen found in gasoline, can cause eye, skin and lung irritation in the short term and blood disorders in the long term. Dioxins, typically found in food but also present in the air, can harm the liver, immune, nervous and endocrine systems, as well as reproductive functions. Lead in large amounts can damage children's brains and kidneys, with even minimal exposure affecting children's IQ and ability to learn. We also encounter polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons or PAHs, byproducts of traffic exhaust and wildfire smoke. These compounds have been linked to eye and lung irritation, blood and liver issues and even cancer. Next, we delve into the world of greenhouse gases. These pollutants, while not directly impacting our health like smog or hazardous chemicals, contribute to climate change, leading to rising sea levels, extreme weather, heat-related deaths, and the increased transmission of infectious diseases. Carbon dioxide, primarily produced from burning fossil fuels, and methane, originating from natural and industrial sources, are two key contributors. Hydrofluorocarbons, or HFCs, found in air conditioners and refrigerators, are thousands of times more potent than carbon dioxide in their ability to trap heat. Our last stop is a visit to the world of pollen and mold, which, although not regulated, can be hazardous to health. Mold exposure can trigger asthma attacks or an allergic response, and some molds can produce toxins dangerous to inhale. Pollen allergies are worsening due to climate change, with studies showing that pollen-producing plants grow larger and produce more pollen as the amount of carbon dioxide increases. In conclusion, the air we breathe is polluted by various harmful elements, each with its unique impact on our health. Hazardous pollutants like mercury, lead, dioxins and benzene can cause severe health problems. Traffic exhaust and wildfire smoke contribute to the presence of PAHs, which are linked to a variety of health issues. Greenhouse gases contribute to climate change, indirectly affecting our health, while pollen and mold directly affect those with allergies and respiratory conditions. In our world today, the air that sustains us also poses a threat to our health. It's a sobering reality, but understanding the problem is the first step toward finding solutions.
How aware are you of the air you breathe? Have you ever stopped to think about what might be in it and how it might be affecting your health and the environment? Air pollution, a significant global issue, is often overlooked, yet its consequences are far-reaching and devastating. Air pollution is the introduction of harmful substances into the air. These pollutants, detrimental to human health and the planet, range from chemicals to particulate matter. The World Health Organization reports that nearly 7 million deaths occur annually due to indoor and outdoor air pollution. Disturbingly, 99% of humans breathe air that exceeds the WHO's guideline limits for pollutants, with those residing in lower-income countries bearing the brunt of this crisis. But what exactly causes this pervasive air pollution? The primary culprit is energy use and production. Every time a car runs on gasoline, a home is heated with oil, or a power plant operates on fracked gas, fossil fuels are burned and harmful substances are released into the air. While strides have been made over the past half-century to improve air quality, especially in the United States thanks to the Clean Air Act, climate change threatens to derail these advancements, making it increasingly difficult to meet pollution standards. The effects of air pollution are alarming. It currently stands as the world's fourth-largest risk factor for early death. The 2020 State of Global Air Report linked 4.5 million deaths to outdoor air pollution and an additional 2.2 million to indoor air pollution. The most populous countries, China and India, continue to bear the highest burdens of disease caused by air pollution. Climate change is exacerbating air pollution problems. As global temperatures rise, smog intensifies, and allergenic air pollutants such as mold and pollen increase. Droughts and dry conditions fueled by climate change set the stage for dangerous wildfires. the smoke from which can pollute the air hundreds of miles away. The effects of air pollution on the human body are diverse and depend on the type of pollutant, the duration and level of exposure, and personal health risks. Two of the most common types of air pollution are smog and soot. Smog, or ground-level ozone, forms when emissions from burning fossil fuels react with sunlight. Soot, a type of particulate matter, consists of tiny particles of chemicals, soil, smoke, dust, or allergens in the air. These pollutants mainly come from cars, trucks, factories, power plants, incinerators, and engines that burn fossil fuels. The reality of air pollution is daunting but not insurmountable. Each one of us can contribute to combating this global issue. Start by reducing energy consumption. Opt for public transportation, cycle or walk instead of driving. Use energy-efficient appliances and consider renewable sources of energy. Remember, the air we breathe is shared. By taking these steps, you're not only contributing to your own health, but also to the health of our planet. The time to act is now.